Guess who's finally on NextDoor? I had created my personal profile, but I was having trouble verifying my business profile. And after going back and forth a few days with support, I finally see this. I have my business page set up with my check mark telling me that NextDoor has confirmed and trusted my page. So if you are on the NextDoor app and you want to show some love, go find my page. I think you can heart it or favorite it. And if somebody has any questions on or looking for recommendations for garage door repair, feel free to share my page there. Now I'm gonna go take some allergy medicine. Oh my gosh, my eyes are red.